दिल्लीच्या आर्च डायोसिसचे प्रतिनिधित्व करपी आणि एंग्लो इंडियन संघटने सयत प्रधानमंत्र्याचो संगीतकार फादर निकोलसान कार्डिनल फिलिप नेरी फेर्रांवची भेट घेवन एंग्लो इंडियन समुदायाक प्रतिनिधित्व दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान तांचो तेंको मागलो। 1960 सावन देशभर ह्या समाजाचो तेंको आणि प्रतिनिधित्व ल्हवलो उणें जायत आसा अशें ताणें म्हटलें। ऐकात।
2 seats in Lok Sabha nominated, and in 12 legislative assemblies, wherever Anglo-Indian concentration is there, 12 MLAs were there.
Now everybody has been removed.
Everybody is removed except in Jharkhand.
There is no representation in the parliament except in Jharkhand, one legislative assembly. We have one representative.
That period is not over.
And also we had in Uttarakhand because that is gone. So that also is gone out of parliament. So we have no voice. They have no voice to represent in the legislative assemblies about the issues they are facing.
So what is your main issues or difficulty you are facing?
We are facing several problems in India. Earlier we had this school running of the schools. Then many are staying in rented houses. Many are unemployed. Many are educationally backward. In interior places, we have lost our job reservations in 1960. We were having reservations in railways, central services. One by one, all the facilities are lost. The last one was the representations in parliament and state legislation. That also is now lost. And we are a small minority having lots of disabilities.
So before you were having the reservation?
Before we had.
So when you started losing the reservation?
Since 1960 onwards.
60?
Yeah, from 50 to 60 we had reservations. In 60 we lost that. Then when the educational grants were there, that is also lost. These reservations were earmarked in the constitution as per articles. The last one, according to Article 331 to Parliament, Article 333 to Legislative Assembly, that was the last. All these have been lost on flimsy grounds. They say the Anglo-Indians are only 226 in number. You know better. More Anglo-Indians are there in Goa. Even my family alone is more than 300.
So there was no column for Anglo-Indian as an ethnic community. They come under general Christian quota. So that's where they have lost their identity. So there is a kind of identity crisis in their own. Do we have the identity? Do we retain that identity as an Anglo-Indian? And Anglo-Indian, as I see, as a chaplain, they have made so much contribution to the national building, including our own independence, etc. So they are that apart. Now what we are asking is, because of no lack of voice in the parliament, legislative assemblies, our issues are not addressed.
GOA365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो, शुभाशीष गोवेकार आणि संगीता ओली।